Can AI detect constipation before it becomes serious? It may sound surprising, but the future of medicine may not wait until pain becomes severe. AI is opening a new door in healthcare by helping doctors identify warning signs much earlier than before. Constipation is often treated like a small problem. Many people ignore it. Some feel embarrassed to talk about it. Others think it will go away on its own. But in reality, constipation can sometimes be a signal that the digestive system is slowing down, the body is dehydrated, or the diet is lacking fiber. Physical activity may be too low, or another health issue could be beginning in the background. Usually, people take action only after the discomfort becomes stronger. By then, they may already be dealing with bloating or stomach pain. But what if AI could help identify the pattern before things reach that stage? In the coming years, AI may be used to study many signals together. It may look at bowel habits, diet records, fluid intake, movement, medications, age, and medical history. These are things humans can observe too, but AI may be able to connect them faster and more deeply than we ever could alone. For example, if a person's eating pattern changes and water intake drops, AI may flag that as an early risk pattern. Instead of waiting for the problem to become severe, there may be an early alert that encourages lifestyle changes or medical advice. This is where AI becomes powerful, not because it performs magic, but because it can notice patterns hidden inside large amounts of information. It can compare present symptoms with millions of previous cases and help doctors make earlier, more informed decisions. This may be especially useful for older adults, people with chronic illness, and those who take medications that affect digestion. Constipation is not just about food. It may be connected with nerve problems, hormonal imbalance, stress, or bowel disorders. Imagine a future where your smartwatch or home care system notices changes in movement, hydration, and sleep. AI may combine these signals and warn that your gut health is changing before you even feel the discomfort. Of course, AI is not here to replace doctors. A machine cannot fully understand the human body the way a skilled physician can. But AI may become a powerful assistant. It may help detect patterns earlier, save time, and support better decisions. This is the real promise of AI in healthcare. Not just treatment, but earlier awareness. Not just reacting, but prevention. Constipation may look like a small problem, but sometimes small symptoms are the first signs that the body needs attention. And the future of AI may help us hear those signals sooner. Your gut gives warnings. The question is, will AI help us catch them in time? If you want to stay ahead of the future of health and AI, please subscribe to this channel and join our journey.